So guys, this is a pretty cool setup here in the hotel we're at in Kochi, Japan. It's getting fair time here for the vacation, so we kind of need the laundry done. So yeah, this place has washing, drying. Washer dryers upstairs, 4 of them. So you go into the main menu here. Top middle there you see laundry status, so you just scroll over, enter in, and it'll not only show you the machines that are available to use, but also show you the washing capacity and what you can do with them. Our machine right now that we're using, I believe, is number 1 there, laundry number 1. So it's telling us we've got 116 minutes remaining. A really useful feature. And it also includes which floor it's on, which is the 10th floor. So that's pretty neat. Never seen that in any of the hotels I've ever stayed in before.
So it's pretty standard. Insert your laundry, select the appropriate settings, and then put your money in. And if you're not sure which settings to use, they usually have English instructions posted on the wall. This I also liked. After you put in your money, it will prompt you for a lock code, so only you can remove your laundry from that machine. Once you put in the lock code, you're all set to go. If you look behind the machines, you can see that they're hooked up to the hotel's intranet, which allows us to keep track of the status of our laundry back in our room. And if you're lucky, you may see somebody's panties stuck in the door jiggling. Can't imagine why machines have lock codes, but I'm not going to get into that fetish culture. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. More videos are on the way.